Kinesiology tape is an elastic therapeutic tape. Due to its elasticity, the tape has similar qualities with human skin and can be stretched out by 20% of its resting strength. It supports alignment of weak muscles and facilitates joint motion as a result of the tape's recoiling effects. Kinesiology tape is 16.4 feet long and 2 inches wide and made out of breathable, flexible cotton for ultimate comfort. It is sweat-proof and water-resistant, allowing it to be used for an extensive amount of time, preventing deterioration. Additionally, it will help provide pain relief and aid in treatment of injuries and sprains in shoulders, knees, back, shin, hips, ankles, wrist, neck, hamstrings, elbows, calves, as well as muscle fatigue. They are available in a variety of colors.